Hi, you're very welcome. And in this video, we're just going to kind of walk through the filter kind of function. So what I've done here is that I've got a list of products over here on this sheet, all right, which is a standard list of products. I've converted to a table. I'd already converted to a table, insert, and then table, okay. And I'll leave it at that. And then over here, I've got my filter function. I'm going to put the filter, and here I've created a drop-down list of my suppliers. So what I want to happen is that as I choose on different suppliers here, the output of that will be reflected here. And I'm going to do that using my filter function. So I go up here to formulas, look up in reference, I go down to filter. So the first thing that comes up is the array. So think of the array as my entire data set. So I go over here to products, click here, Control Shift arrow down, Control Shift arrow across, and that gives me table. Okay. Now, the way I kind of have explained this to myself at the moment is when it says, okay, that's the whole thing. And then what I want to do is basically say, I want to say, take my supplier list up here. So click here, Control Shift arrow down. And if you notice here, it just gives me the supplier. And I say equal, and then I go back to my filter and I click on what I have here. Right. So that I want to be equal to that one. And then if empty, no records returned, no records found, which is a sort of the equivalent of your, good friendly if error function. And then I click. Now when I click OK, right, you see there it returns a list of my suppliers, of the results for that supplier. And if I click over here now, this one, change to a different one. See there, I get a different one here. That's my pasta. And by the way, the lists, if you're looking for the list of suppliers, it's over here. See there, because I extracted it from my list of products. Now, what I want to do here is, let's say I have pasta buttini there. I'll just pick that randomly. I go to products, go over here, go down another little bit. Let's say product ID, let's say 100. Okay, product name. I'm going to say Christmas cake, since we're coming up in the run up to Christmas. Okay, and from the supplier, let me just check now the name of it again. Pasta buttini. So I start typing in. See, it comes up automatically. I'm going to say it's confections 100 150 12 units on order 0 4 discontinued false, and maybe say 600. All right, so I've got my Christmas cake there, and I go back to my filter again, and see there, it's actually come up automatically. All right, I didn't even have to kind of choose it again, it updated automatically. Now, you can also do a lot more kind of variations on it, but I just like mixing it up with the table because it just makes it very, very dynamic. You will find the links to the other tutorials I give there, give you kind of like more in-depth explanations of it if you would like. Okay, so remember, you start here, this is where you start the filter, top left hand corner, and if you notice here, I already put the headings in up here, okay, and then I just have them, and kind of make sure you allow loads and loads of space for the entries to expand automatically. All right, so that's it. I hope you found it useful. Take care. Bye.